Well, good morning, folks. Welcome back to another beautiful fall day here at Haggett Hill. So what we're going to work on today, folks, is behind me you'll see my raised garden bed. I'm going to take out the tomato plants because they're not really producing anymore. There might be a little bit of fruit left on them. Going to put the cages up, going to blow the leaves out of the bed, and then I'm going to plant my garlic. So next summer I'll have a good crop of that. So watch along as we work in the garden today. We'll start by harvesting any last fruit that we might have in here. There might be a few tomatoes hiding in here. I'll even pull the green ones off. We'll fry them up. Got a few of these black tomatoes that we grew this year. Those are really good. Our tomato crop didn't do as good this year as it did in the past, but we did grow a lot of squash this year. I had a really good crop of garlic. Cucumbers did fairly well. We canned quite a few pickles. Got a few tomatoes left in here. These green ones, if they're too small to fry, we'll probably make some green salsa out of them. That's pretty good stuff. Most of these are cherry tomatoes that are left. So they won't be good for a whole lot, besides maybe canning and making salsa out of. My daughter and son-in-law are coming over and spending the night tonight, and they're bringing me some green tomatoes left out of their garden. We'll fry them up as well. Well, we got a few green tomatoes and a little bit of dill. We also grew quite a bit of dill this summer, and we used when we made our homemade pickles. I had a volunteer fern come up in the garden this year, and we decided it was really pretty, so we watered it all year. My wife wants it saved, so I'm going to transplant it somewhere. Get it out of the garden. Alright, we'll go put this in its new home and I'll be right back. Well, folks, ain't technology great? I'm working with a new camera and I haven't got everything down pat on it yet. I planted 3 different kinds of garlic, 3 different rows here, and I didn't get any of that on video. I planted 2 hardneck varieties and 1 softneck variety. So I'm excited to see what comes up this spring. I apologize I didn't get that content for you in my commentary, but I did get some B-roll of time-lapse, you watching me do it. But thanks for stopping by. Another project here on Haggett Hill. I sure appreciate you watching. And if you like the content that I'm putting out, please like and subscribe. And as always, God bless you and your family.